Mabuhay. Hey, so today we are going school shopping. Not like your typical school shopping to where you go look for clothes for school. We're searching for an additional, not to replace, we're searching for an additional school to show support and do some feedings, that sort of thing, because that's what we do. We're at Casa de Young right now. Over there is the amazing Addie the Adventure Mobile. So come with us. What up, fam? All right, so we found a school. I can't say the name of the school. What's the name of the school?
Magupising.
Magupising. This is the school, nice little small school. We're gonna set up a feeding for next week. We're gonna feed some kids. Yeah, it's amazing. Again, this doesn't replace where we go at Esperanza. This is just in addition to. So we're gonna. What up, fam? All right, so we found our new / additional school that we're gonna help out. Sorry, we are at Leia's family's sorry store, which is right behind me. And there's flooding behind me, so yeah, it flooded last night. But we found a new school that we're going to help out. Again, it is not to replace any schools. It's just an additional school because we have had some people say, hey, I want to help another school, blah, blah. And that's what we do. You say it, we do it. So on that note, if anybody wants to help out with this new school, the name of the school is
Magupising Elementary School, and we would like to do feeding next week, and all donations and sponsors are welcome.
So if anybody wants to send money,
$10,
whatever, let me know. Send it as a super chat. Send it as we've got Venmo, Zelle, Gcash, all the goodies. But anyway, this is what we do. Thanks to all of y'all. So do me a favor, share the video, comment on the video, like the video. If you like the vibe, subscribe. Stole that from you, Cisco. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Love all y'all.
Always remember, the world is full of kind and nice people. If you happen to be one, be the one. Love you, Mabuhay Family.